What if every new email you receive automatically save itself in a Google Sheet without any manual work, no copying, no pasting, no manual work. In this video, I will show you exactly how to build this automation using n8n. Using this platform that name is n8n in less than 10 minutes, even if you have never used n8n before. What if every new email you received automatically saved itself to a Google Sheet without doing anything? No copying, no pasting, no manual work. In this video, I will show you exactly how to build this automation using n8n in less than 10 minutes, even if you have never used n8n before. Then let's go and test this automation that it's working or not. We can execute workflow. It's working now, and let's check our Google Sheet. Now we can see everything from that email that we received automatically saved in a Google Sheet, like date, name, from, subject, body. You can see the body clearly, that format that we received that email. It's all in this Google Sheet. By the end of this video, you will have a real working automation running on your computer. Let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm Tariq Usmani. n8n is a free automation tool that connects your apps together and make them working automatically without writing any line of code. In n8n, we can build workflows with the help of nodes. These are two nodes. That one is Gmail trigger. Every time that we receive an email, it will check our Gmail and grab all the data. It will put all in a Google Sheet. All this work will automatically done by n8n. That's all you need to know for now. Let's build. First, for the creating a new workflow, we click on this plus button, workflow and personal. It will create a new workflow. You can see here workflow number 2, and we can rename it email workflow. You will see this empty canvas. Don't worry, we will build it step by step together. We click this left side plus button, and in here we can type our node like Gmail trigger. Now this Gmail trigger, it will pull up all the information of that email. We will select our Gmail credential and then it will ask us poll time when it will check. We can say every minute it will check our email, that if we receive an email, it will pull all the information. Now we hit the fetch test. Now you can see that email that we received, it's all in this part. One thing more, that we need all that information in our email. We turn off this simplify button because it will not simplify, it will give us all that image, all that content that we received from that email. Now we can fetch test even. Now you can see all the information that we need we have inside the n8n. Now we can connect Google Sheet, Telegram, WhatsApp, anything that we want. For the sake of demo, we connect Google Sheet. Now we can hit the plus button and type Google Sheet. This is a Google Sheet node that we can add. In here that you can see there's a lot of tasks that this node will, but for now we just append a row in sheet. We select this, and in here we select our credential, resource, sheet within document that we create this sheet. Let me clean this sheet and that you can see all that work. Google Sheet credential. Now operation will be append row. Document, we can search our document by 3 types from the list, that every document that in our Google Sheet has exist, it will pull up by ID by URL. Now we are go with from list. In here, we can choose our document like email. This the one document that I have in my Google Drive. Sheet that we can have multiple sheet, and we can select one of them. But now I will select sheet 1. Now you can see automatically pull all the columns from that sheet, like date, name, from, etc. And date, add that exact date that we received the email. And date, we need that date that we received the email. We write some sort of JSON, we select now. And now you can see that this is the date 2026 to 20, and there's the time. We don't need the time. We just need the date, like month, day, or year. For that, we hit dot format, and you can see it's the clear format for our date. Now for the name, we go and find the name inside the Gmail trigger, because it gives us all the information that we need. Here is it. For name, we can grab it easily, drag and drop. Name, you can see Tariq Usmani. For from column, we need to add the email address that we can drag and drop in here. And this is the email. You can see the output in below of that form. For the subject, we need to drag and drop this subject, and also we need just the body. This text, it's a body that we need. And now when we click execute step, it will automatically save all the data inside the Google Sheet. Let's go. Here you can see that all the data we can see in here also. Now we can see that data that we receive from email is automatically saved in our Google Sheet. After that, we will publish our workflow or active our workflow, that every time that we receive a new email, this process will be done. It will automatically add new email inside our Google Sheet. Let's publish it. We click the publish, and in here we can add the version number like 1.00. This is the first update. In description, we can type anything we want. Click on publish. This is the message, and got it. Now our workflow is published. We can see, and in here that in workflow, in here we can check our email workflow. It's now active. So let's recap what we built today. We connect Gmail to Google Sheet using n8n. Now every new email that we received, it will automatically save to our Google Sheet. With n8n, you can connect over 400 apps and build much more powerful automation than this. It's just the beginning. If this video helped you, please hit subscribe. Every week I will post new n8n and AI automation tutorial just like this one, and leave a comment below telling me what you want to automate next. I read every comment. I might make a video based on your suggestions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.